Jeannie and I have just reached Datanla Waterfalls. As you can see, this place is a huge, huge tourist attraction. Tour bus after tour bus. And let me tell you something. Our number one rule, get here early. It's only 9:15. Let me just check that. Yeah, 9:16, 9:17, and this place is mobbed. Okay, there's the ticket booth over there. Jeannie's gonna go take care of tickets. And we'll give you a little view of what you can expect here. We are there, and I guess, oh, I see. The cable car is part of this as well. And if you want, you can even take a toboggan ride back down. Do some zip lining. Across the falls. Okay, so you get your tickets, 50,000 each, and they funnel you through where you can buy a bunch of crap.
It's like a 15-minute walk from what I
Okay, so
and it's pretty easy.
From what we understand, you can just walk down these steps.
That's the coaster.
Yeah, there's your coaster ride, if that's something you want to do.
You go on this track.
Maybe 10-15 minute walk to the waterfalls, which is what we want to do. I don't see Jeannie doing this.
I think so.
I'm pulling the mask off. We're outside. Not tons of people here. All right.
So far. Look, see?
Yeah.
I probably could do that.
Well, when we're done seeing the waterfall, maybe we'll do that.
Well, no, because that brings you down there.
Oh.
That's the point of it. Yeah. And you have breaks and stuff you can do.
And there's your zip line, if that's something you want to do.
That is definitely not bad.
We're going to go for the exercise. You know us. We're all about walking and stairs. Like Jeannie mentioned, the majority of the people who come here, the majority of the tourists, take this toboggan ride because it's a main attraction. And as a result, people like us who do the walking, there's not a lot of people on the walking path. The only downside is you are going to have to walk back up.
But as I mentioned, there's many benches along the way to take a break.
That's right.
And there's no hurry.
None. It is pretty steep, but it is fairly easy walking. And here's your first view of the falls. Pretty impressive falls. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that although there's a lot of people here, this is probably a very slow day. see where we would gain anything by climbing up top, but going over to this bridge and seeing how the water funnels through might be nice. Wow, beautifully backlit right now. A lot of water flowing through, a lot. Jeannie and I have opted for the toboggan ride back up instead of walking because it would be pretty strenuous. And it is $160,000 for the two of us. Thank you.